Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be making a child's cat ear beanie double-stranded crochet hat. I'm using two different strands, purple and white. One is the Red Heart Super Saver yarn. The other one is, I think, Loops and Threads. So yeah, I'm not going to do an overhand tutorial, but I will show you me crocheting. I feel like it's very self-explanatory. I don't think I need to show you exactly what I'm doing. I will bring my hands close. So to start off, you're going to get whatever colors you want. I'm going to make a slip knot and make my slip knot, and I'm going to chain 29, but let me just make sure I have some yarn pulled out. Okay, I'm gonna chain 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Make sure you have 2 loops on your crochet hook when you're doing your foundation chains. Now, where was I at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And we're chaining 29 because I can even do 30, but it's all up to how tall you want your hat. Because you can fold it if you want, you can wear it regular. I'll do an extra one. But yes, you might think this is too much for a child's head, but my daughter has a lot of hair, and this is what I'm making it for. My daughter has a lot of hair and she has thick hair, so sometimes she wears ponytails, buns, whatever. I want her to have as much room as possible. So yes, this is how it's looking. Nothing crazy. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be working, obviously after this row, you're going to crochet another row. So let me just do that with you first, and then I'll let you know. So we're just going to go into the loops as usual. Make sure you're pulling up both strands or pulling through both strands. So now we're going to do 29 back down. And I'll do that with you. That was 3, 4, 5, 6. Most of this video will be probably sped up. If not sped up, it will be a short video because, like I said before, it's very self-explanatory. If you mess up because you dropped whatever color, just undo it and go back like I do. Make sure you're going under both strands. We are using double crochets if I haven't said that already. And going down. using purple and white because it matches my daughter's coat. These are really cute. I believe I have a short of the one I made my other daughter and my husband. If you already know how to make a cat-eared beanie and you're just here because you like watching crochet tutorials, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you can know every time I post. I am almost monetized. I want to appreciate all my followers, my consistent viewers for supporting me. And I hope you guys stay for the long haul. I don't only post crochet, I post some vlogs. But yes, some regular everyday life vlogs, if that makes sense. And I post regular everyday life shorts. Okay, so now that we on our second, well, technically our first row, this is what it's looking like. And now we're just going to chain one, and we're going to chain one after every round, and we're going to turn our work. Now you're going to go into the back loops only. So the back loop would be the loops from your point of view, the other side, this side. That's the back loops. So back loop only, we're still doing double crochets, making sure we have both strands on the hook, and we're just gonna do now it's up to you how you want, how wide you need your hat. So I'm going to do maybe 26 rows. If I feel like I need more when I measured on my daughter's head, then I'll probably just add some more. I don't think you need no more than like 28, 29, because if my husband could fit 28, 29, then you guys don't need to put that on a kid's head. So I think 26 rows, 27 rows will be fine. So this is row one. The first ones we chained was our foundation row. That was our foundation row. This is our first round, the first set of double crochets we did, and now we're on round two. I'm doing 26 or 27. I will let you guys know when I'm almost there. And you guys can do however many you want. If you're making an adult size, just, I think 30 is good. You don't want it too big, too loose. If you wanted to chain longer foundation chain, you can do that as well. I did 30. If you like to fold up the end of your hat, you can do a little more, so that way you can fold up the end of your hat. It's all up to you. And there's really nothing else to say. I will come back when I'm like, I guess halfway. This is what we're looking at. Remember to work back loops only for all your rounds. For my season, no care for the IG, just no care anything for clout. Anything, do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'll still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Even wanna start fake beef. Just say the low.
way. Ever try to hold back your feelings? But it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away. Simply run away. Can try to run and hide. It won't make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. Double R had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught up. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy. I guess
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you.